I am so excited about this last pumpkin because I found this fantastic glittery web fabric at the Dollar Tree. I also saw it at the 99-cent store. But I am going to cover this pumpkin using mostly hot glue. I'm going to do it a little differently than I did the gingham pumpkins because I don't have as much fabric. It's a little shorter. But similar concept. I'm going to roll the pumpkin until it's tight and just use a little dab of hot glue. Oops, it's slippery. Use a little dab of hot glue to hold it in place. Ooh, I need a new hot glue stick. There we go. A dab of hot glue to hold that in place. And then I'm actually going to try to just glue the bottom fabric down first because I cannot fit it all the way around. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do like a circle of hot glue on the bottom. Now you want to leave a little extra on the top because I'd like to try to tuck the top as much as I possibly can, but like I said, the fabric is not quite wide enough to tuck the top and the bottom. So around the bottom, I'm just gonna put a circle of hot glue and then I'm just gonna tuck it down, little piece at a time. So here we go. Circle of hot glue. Now I'm just gonna, ooh, and it is hot because it's like a sheer fabric, so it doesn't give much protection against the hot glue. So, ooh, it's a little hot on the fingers, but I just want to get, this is again the bottom side, so it doesn't have to be pretty, but I want it to be secure enough that I can pull the top to make the fabric tight around the pumpkin. So, I want to let that hot glue cool down all the way. So that's what I've done on the bottom. I just did a circle of hot glue and then little piece by little piece, put it down. But be careful not to burn your fingers too bad on that. I have hot glue all over mine now. But my fingers are tough, I hot glue a lot. Okay, so then I'm gonna turn it over and I'm gonna pull it tight. And I'm gonna try to do the same thing I did with the gingham, but I'm actually gonna also be using hot glue because I don't have as much material to work with. So I first started with a little bit of glue inside of the hole, and now I'm just going around and I'm pulling it, like I said, as tightly as I can while doing just a little drop of hot glue as I go and a little bit of tucking. It gets a little difficult when you start doing the tucking and the hot gluing, but I think that it is going to work out. We will see. So you just go a little bit at a time, pulling it as tight as you can, and tucking it tightly as you can. Let's see what happened here. Okay, so I've got quite a bit extra at the end, so I'm just gonna tuck that down in there. Uh-oh, the dowel got stuck down in there. Okay, so this one is not as perfect as my gingham covered one. I'm a little bit of a perfectionist, so I don't know if I love it, but, oh, I've got a little thread. But it's such cute fabric that I couldn't resist trying to cover pumpkins with it. And it's pretty cute. I'm gonna add a stem back in there. And I might actually spray paint that stem gold, but if I display it up on a candlestick, and it has a few little buddies around. I think it's pretty cute. There you have it. There's my pumpkin makeovers for you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks!